Jiggle. She's huge. You're like, why did you do this?
Video is gonna be super awesome, super lit. So make sure you guys stay to the end. But I'm gonna need some help from my crush. No, not really. Today you are going to be a mom, and I'm gonna be a dad because we're becoming parents for 24 hours.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
It's gonna be crazy.
What?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. But today for parents and also,
Why?
because I've got two little kids coming over to my house, so we're gonna have to like watch them, make sure they do
Oh, so
anything bad,
basically you
feed
just want
them.
her to watch them for you and be like a mom.
That'd be awesome, but like I feel like I have to help too because like
Okay, cool. So this is a challenge. It's
yeah,
interesting.
and I also have some other members from the squad. What about video? Okay, we'll blur out his face.
So I heard what you guys are doing today, and I'm just gonna let you guys know it's right. Okay,
Yeah, literally, Piper and Lev just do this.
It's tough.
Yes. So Piper Love just did this challenge. It looks really difficult. So all I'm gonna say is good luck.
Good luck, guys.
Okay, so since you two have done this challenge, I'm looking for.
All right. Well, sounds like you guys got your hands full. Good luck because the kids are finally here. Let's go introduce you to your children.
But also, you guys need to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Also, go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Go follow me on Vimeo, follow me on Twitter, all that good stuff. Go check out these guys' channels and stuff down in the description. It's awesome. And let's go meet the kids. Hey guys, what's up? So now we have the kids. Hey guys!
Oh my goodness. I haven't seen these kids. What do you mean, nice? Okay, well, not today. You're gonna have to pass off the baton to you guys.
You got this story, and I'm sure they're like perfect little angels, right?
Yeah, this is great, right? Emily, haven't you been ready for this?
Yeah.
All right.
So, anything I should know?
Oh my gosh, they're so easy. I just have to give them an easy. Because it makes them feel better. So I definitely wouldn't do that. And then
No sugar.
no sugar.
No sugar.
Right?
Alright.
Aw, she's such a sweetheart.
They are such angels. You're gonna love them. Make sure they do have to take a nap though.
Okay.
So watch them nap. And they have to make sure that they always clean up their messes.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah, they sound super easy. You got
All right,
that.
cool. You guys will be great parents. You got this. All right, cool. Well, you guys, what I take from